The stock market. You hear about it every day, but do you actually know how it works? Don't worry, let me explain. The stock market is simply a marketplace, just like a farmer's market where people buy and sell vegetables. In the stock market, people buy and sell ownership pieces of companies. That's all it is. Think of a company like a pizza. The company cuts that pizza into millions of tiny slices. Each slice is called a stock or share. When you buy a stock, you own one tiny slice of that company. Simple as that. Why do companies sell their stocks to the public? Because they need money to grow. Instead of taking a bank loan, they sell pieces of their company to regular people like you and me. Stock trading happens on special marketplaces called stock exchanges. The two biggest in the USA are NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, and NASDAQ. How is a stock price decided? It is simply supply and demand. When more people want to buy a stock, price goes up. Here is a real example. Apple stock is at $150. Then Apple announces a great new iPhone. Suddenly, everyone wants to buy Apple stock. More buyers means higher demand, so the price rises to $165 quickly. Now bad news does the opposite. If a company reports bad earnings, investors get worried and sell their shares. More sellers means lower demand. There are four main players in the stock market: regular investors like you and me, big institutions like banks and funds, brokers who help execute trades, and companies whose stocks are being traded. You will often hear the term bull market. This means the stock market is going up and has been rising for a long time. A bear market means the stock market is going down, usually by 20% or more from its peak. Investors feel scared and sell stocks. Bear markets are temporary. The U.S. stock market is open Monday to Friday from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. It is closed on weekends and public holidays. Every company in the stock market has a short code called a ticker symbol. Apple is AAPL, Google is Google, Amazon is AMZN, Tesla is TSLA. When you want to buy a stock, an index is a group of stocks combined together to measure overall market performance. The most famous is the S&P 500. Which tracks the 500 biggest companies in America. There are three main indexes you will hear about. The S&P 500 tracks 500 big companies. The Dow Jones tracks 30 major companies. The NASDAQ focuses mostly on technology companies. Buying a stock is actually very easy today. You open a brokerage app on your phone. You search the company ticker symbol. You choose how many shares you want. You tap Buy. Done. When buying stocks, you have two main options. A market order buys immediately, at the current price. A limit order lets you set your own price. Four main things move the stock market: company earnings reports, economic news like jobs data, interest rate decisions by the Federal Reserve, and investor emotions, fear and greed. The Federal Reserve, called the Fed, controls interest rates in America. When the Fed raises interest rates, stocks often go down. When rates go down, stocks often go up. Short term, the stock market looks scary and unpredictable. But long term, it is one of the most consistent wealth builders in history. Every major stock market crash in history has recovered completely. The market always comes back. Some companies share their profits with stockholders. This is called a dividend. If you own their stock, they send you money regularly, usually every 3 months. Another way to make money in stocks is capital gains. You buy a stock at $100. It grows to $150. You sell it. Your $50 profit is called a capital gain. There is an old saying in investing: never put all your eggs in one basket. If you invest all your money in one company and it fails, you lose everything. Yes, there is risk in the stock market. Individual stocks can be very risky. A company can do badly and your money drops. But with proper diversification and long-term thinking, the risk becomes very manageable. Here is great news. You do not need thousands of dollars to buy stocks today. Many brokers offer fractional shares, meaning you can buy a tiny piece of any stock for as little as $1 or $5. Amazon, Apple, Google, all accessible with small amounts. Fear makes you sell when market drops, at the worst time. Greed makes you buy when market is at peak, also at the wrong time. Let's quickly recap the key terms. Stock equals owning a piece of a company. Index equals a group of stocks. Bull market equals prices going up. Bear market equals prices going down. Dividend equals company paying you profits. Here is your action step today. Go to Google and search S&P 500. Look at how it has performed over 10 years. Now you know how the stock market works. In the next video, we cover all the different types of investments: stocks, bonds, ETFs, real estate, and crypto.